Welcome back. Today we are breaking down how social media algorithms work and why they matter for your business growth. If your content isn't getting the reach it deserves, understanding these algorithms is key. For businesses, it's simple. If your content isn't appearing in user feeds, you are missing out on potential customers. The algorithm determines visibility, so understanding how it works can help you reach the right audience. So here's what the algorithm looks at. The first is engagement, which includes like, comments, and share. The second is relevance, how closely the content matches a user's interests. And the third is timeliness, how recent the post is. And the fourth is consistency, how often you post. Also, algorithms definitely look at content type. Is it videos, images, carousels? Social media algorithms need to discover new audiences. For example, after visiting a furniture website, you might notice relevant content and ads for home decor on your feed. That's the algorithm learning your interests and showing you content aligned with them. If you are not consistently posting content in your niche, you will miss these new opportunities for visibility. To take advantage of the algorithm, focus on these strategies. First is engage your audience. Encourage comments, likes, and shares. Ask for interaction. Use polls and questions to boost engagement. Obviously, everyone knows about this as also, but it's important. Use relevant hashtags. Expand your reach beyond your followers. And definitely don't miss out in posting regularly. The more consistent you are, the more algorithm will notice. Analyze performance. To do that, track your best performing content and adjust accordingly. To sum up, be patient, stay consistent, and keep creating content that aligns with your niche. The algorithm will find your audience over time, but only if you stay active and relevant. Subscribe for more social media tips and leave your questions in the comments below. See you in the next video.